Welcome to my channel Ganit Matrix, and here we are discussing non-exact homogeneous differential equations. So by the end of this session you will be able to define what is exact equation, non-exact equation, and state the necessary and sufficient condition for exactness. Now apply the integrating factor method to convert a non-exact ODE into exact equation. Recognize the homogeneous ODE and apply the special formula integrating factor equal to 1 by mx plus ny. We also use a 6-step algorithm to find the solution of non-exact homogeneous differential equation and verify exactness after multiplying with the integrating factor by using dou m star by dou y equal to dou n star by dou x, and solve 3 fully worked J into H standard examples with every algebraic step shown explicitly. The general form of the first order ODE is m dx plus n dy equal to 0, and m and n have continuous first order partial derivatives in a domain D. Exactness equation. So to verify the exactness of the general first order ODE, first we identify m and n, and next we'll find the partial derivatives dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x, right? And check whether both the equations are equal or not. If both the partial derivatives are equal, then we'll say that it is exact equation. If both the partial derivatives are not equal, then it is called non-exact equation. The necessary and sufficient condition for exactness is the both partial derivatives dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x are equal. And this is the general definition. An equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is called exact if there exists a function f of x y such that its total differential df equal to m dx plus n dy, where f of xy equal to c is the general solution. So how to test the exactness? We start with the given ODE m dx plus n dy equal to 0, identify capital M and capital N. Step 2, compute partial derivative of m with respect to y. Step 3, compute partial derivative of capital N with respect to x. Compare step 2 and step 3. Both are equal, then it is exact. If not equal, then it is called non-exact equation, right? If the both partial derivatives dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x are not equal, then it is non-exact equation. The theorem integrating factor homogeneous ODE is if capital M and capital N are homogeneous of same degree n and mx plus ny not equal to 0, then the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. So after finding the integrating factor, then we multiply capital M with integrating factor, assume it as m star, and we multiply capital N with integrating factor, assume it as n star, right? And the general solution is integral m star dx plus integral terms in n star not containing x dy equal to c. And this is the 6-step solution algorithm. First, identify capital M and capital N. Verify the homogeneity. That means each term in M and N has the same total degree n, then it is called homogeneous equation. Then compute mx plus ny, that is multiply capital M with x and capital N with y, add it. Find the integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny, right? And multiply capital M with integrating factor, assume it as m star, capital N with if, assume it as n star, and verify the condition for exactness. Now find the general, next step 5, find the general solution. Integral m star dx keeping y constant plus integral terms in n star free from x dy equal to c. So after calculating step 5, find the general solution, capital F of xy equal to c, where c is a arbitrary constant. Now we will fully solve 3 worked examples. And this is the first problem. Solve the differential equation 3xy square minus y cube dx minus 2x square y minus xy square dy equal to 0. Identify m and n. M equal to 3xy square minus y cube, n equal to minus 10 this, so this is xy square minus 2x square y. Now we check the homogeneity of the equation by each term in m and n has equal degree, right? 3xy square, x power 1, y power 2, add the degrees, add the powers, we will get degree 3. Y cube, y power 3, so this is degree 3. So capital M is homogeneous of degree 3. Xy square, x power 1, y power 2, add 1 plus 2, so this is degree 3. 2x square y, x power 2, y power 1, so this is degree 3. So m and n has homogeneous of degree 3. So therefore given equation is homogeneous equation. So we can apply the formula, integrating formula 1 by mx plus ny for that. So for next we'll check the condition for exactness. M equal to 3xy square minus y cube. Write the partial derivative, dou m by dou y is this. So with respect to y partially, take x constant. So dou by dou y of 3xy square. So we write x term constant term 3x as it is, differentiation of y square 2y, which is 6xy. Dou by dou y of minus y cube, which is minus 3y square. So add it. So dou m by dou y equal to 6xy minus 3y square. Next, dou n by dou x. So with respect to x, y constant, dou by dou x of xy square. So y square constant term, differentiation of x1. So that is y square. So dou by dou x of minus 2x square y. So minus 2y constant term, differentiation of x square 2x. So this is minus 4xy. So dou n by dou x is y square minus 4xy. Both are not equal. Therefore, given equation is non-exact. Already we verified that this is homogeneous equation, non-exact homogeneous equation. So we'll find out the integrating factor by first computing mx plus ny. So multiply m with x, 3xy square minus y cube x. So this is 3x square y square minus xy cube. Multiply capital N with y, and this is xy cube minus 2x square y square. Add mx and ny. So 3x square y square minus xy cube plus xy cube minus 2x square y square. So this is 3x square minus 2x square y square, which is x square y square. So the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny, which is 1 by x square y square. So what will you do with integrating factor? Multiply both capital M and capital N by if 1 by x square y square to obtain m star and n star. So m star is m by x square y square. So this is 3xy square minus y cube by x square y square. Divide 3xy square by x square y square, get 3 by x. This is minus y by x square. So m star is 3 by x minus y by x square. And our new term in the equation is m star dx, which is 3 by x minus y by x square dx. N star is n by x square y square. So this is xy square by x square y square, which is 1 by x. Now minus 2x square y by x square y square, which is minus 2 by y. So n star is 1 by x minus 2 by y. Our new exact equation is 3 by x minus y by x square dx plus 1 by x minus 2 by y dy equal to 0. Now verify the condition for exactness. Dou m star by dou y, and with respect to y, x term constant, here the differentiation 0, and second term differentiation minus 1 by x square. With respect to x, y term constant, here the differentiation 0, differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So both are equal, both partial derivatives are equal, therefore given equation is exact. Find the general solution. Integration of m star dx, which is integral 3 by x minus y by x square dx. Integration of 3 by x, 3 log x, and minus y constant term, integration of 1 by x square minus 1 by x. So this is plus y by x. So 3 log x plus y by x. So next, terms in n star free from x, which is n star equal to 1 by x minus 2 by y. So the terms in n which are free from x is minus 2 by y, integration of minus 2 by y, minus 2 log y. So add step 1 and step 3. So this is 3 log x plus y by x minus 2 log y equal to c, which is the final solution. So this is the verification summary. We obtain the integrating factor by calculating mx plus ny, 1 by x square y square, and m star n star, which is obtained by multiplying m with if and n with if. We verify the exactness and finally get the solution. Example 2, solve the differential equation x square y minus 2xy square dx minus of x cube minus 3x square y dy equal to 0. Now we rewrite it as m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Note that minus of x cube minus 3x square y is equal to 3x square y minus x cube. So our new equation is x square y minus 2xy square dx plus 3x square y minus x cube dy equal to 0. First we verify the homogeneity, since each term in m and n has degree 3, right? X square y, x power 2, y power 1. Add the powers 2 plus 1, so degree 3. 2x y square, x power 1, y power 2, so degree 3. Similarly for x square by x cube. So yeah, both m and n are homogeneous of degree 3. So this is homogeneous and non-exact equation. We can apply the formula 1 by mx plus ny, and we are verifying the exactness. Dou m by dou y equal to x square minus 4xy. Dou n by dou x is 3xy minus 3x square. Both are not equal, so this is non-exact equation. Now compute the integration formula, integrating factor formula 1 by mx plus ny. For that we compute mx plus ny. So mx plus ny is calculating, this is x square y square. So integrating factor equal to 1 by x square y square. Next, what we'll do that we multiply integrating factor with capital M, assume it as m star, capital N with integrating factor, assume it as n star. So m star equal to, divide each term of m by x square y square, we get 1 by y minus 2 by x, and divide each term of n with x square y square, we get 3 by y minus x by y square. The new equation after multiplying by integrating factor is m star dx plus n star dy equal to 0. And again we verify the condition for exactness for second one. Right, so dou m star by dou y. So with respect to y, x term constant. So with respect to x, y term constant. Here this term will 0 and this term will 0. So the both partial derivatives gives the same result, which is minus 1 by y square. Therefore the equation m star dx plus n star dy equal to 0 is exact. Now we'll find the general solution in integral m star dx plus integral terms in n star free from x dy equal to c. Right, so integral m star dx, integration of 1 by y dx, because here y constant, so 1 by y constant, integral 1 by y dx is x by y, integration of 2 by x, 2 log x. So this is x by y minus 2 log x. And the terms in n which are free from x is only 3 by y, integration of 3 by y is 3 log y. The final solution x by y minus 2 log x plus 3 log y equal to c, which is obtained by adding this step and this step, step 1 and step 3. Example 3, solve the differential equation x square y dx minus of x cube y cube dy equal to 0. Same thing, we write it as x square y dx plus of minus of x cube plus y cube dy equal to 0. Since each term in m and n has degree 3, so this is homogeneous equation. Check the condition for exactness, dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x are not equal, therefore the given equation is non-exact. Right, and compute the integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny, mx plus ny, which is x square y into x plus minus x cube minus y cube into y, which is x cube y minus x cube y minus y power 4, this is minus y power 4, So integrating factor is minus 1 by y power 4. Now calculate m star and n star by multiplying capital M with integrating factor and multiply capital N with if. So m star is the same thing, y cancel, minus x squared by y cube, and n star minus x cube by y power 4 plus 1 by y. So the new equation is minus x squared by y cube dx plus x cube by y power 4 plus 1 by y dy equal to 0. Verify the condition for exactness. So dou m star by dou y and dou n star by dou x gives the same function, 3x squared by y power 4. Now find the general solution. Integration of m star dx, integration of minus x squared by y cube dx, and here y constant, right? Minus 1 by y cube, right, as it is integration of x cube by 3. So this is minus x cube by 3y cube, and the terms in n which are free from x is 1 by y, integration of 1 by y is log y. Add step 1 and step 3 result. Our final general solution is minus x cube by 3y cube plus log y equal to c. Thank you.